Hey guys, I'm Mike with Any Car Log. Thanks for watching this video. Today we're going to be fixing four-wheel drive on my S10 Blazer ZR2. We have the 4x4 Posi lock system, and I'll be walking through the installation and what I'm doing with the application of this. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so here we have the 4x4 Posi lock system to fix the four-wheel drive on my ZR2 Blazer. The S10s, the Blazers, GMC Sonoma, GMC Jimmy, they all use a vacuum and cable system to lock the front differential. So the vacuum system can be a big point of failure. So they came out with this kit, a 4x4 Posi lock. It basically eliminates the whole vacuum system and makes a manual control inside the cab that allows you to lock the front differential when you want to use four-wheel drive. So if you're using four-wheel drive high or low, you would just lock this first, pull this cable to engage it, and lock it in place in order to have four-wheel drive. For my application, there's a good chance I'm going to put the bravada shaft that is in my Sonoma into this Blazer this summer, and then this cable is going to go into my Sonoma with this front two-piece axle. So for this application, I'm actually going to mount this cable under the hood, and just so that I can lock it in place when I need it, and then just pop the hood and unlock it when I don't need it. And it's going to be kind of a temporary install, but it does come with all of the couple different brackets to mount the lever inside the cab, and a bunch of hardware and some other mounting equipment. So I'm going to walk you through exactly what I do to install this, and we'll get to it. Alright guys, so this was a failed project. I got the differential piece where the cable screws into. This is the factory cable that goes to the actuator. I got this removed, and I can't get the cable to disconnect from the housing, and this housing is plastic. So I'm on the verge of breaking it, so I'm going to just reinstall it as is. If I really need to, I can put vice grips on the end of that cable, pull the cable out, and then use vice grips to lock the cable out if I really needed four-wheel drive in a pinch. But for now, I think bravada swap is going to be the solution for this truck. Probably not until spring or even summer, but bravada shaft is looking like the way to go, unless I can find one of these cheap and just do that. But as of right now, I got to get this truck together to drive it tonight. So this was a failed project, and it's going to go back in the way it came out. So I may or may not upload this video, but yeah, just another reason why you would want to do a bravada swap is because this plastic piece is not always the easiest. Right here is the sensor that tells the differential whether or not it is in four-wheel drive. The front differential tells the computer if the front differential is engaged. So if you do the bravada swap, the wires that are on this are what you would cut and then splice together, so the computer always thinks the front end's locked together. So that's probably going to be it for this one. I'm going to put this back on, and hopefully I don't run into any issues. I already pulled this sensor out by just prying on it, so the threads on that are probably gone, and this thing may want to leak, but we'll see. So it looks like this is the second time I've tried to install this Lock-Right cable locker on a project, and it didn't work out. So I think I'm gonna give up on it. It will work perfectly for somebody else. It's just for me, I have bad luck, so it's not gonna work. If this is something you could use, leave a comment down below. I think I might just run a giveaway, and whoever I'll check in 2 weeks. I'll do a random generation to figure out who wins. But if you could use this cable locker, feel free to put a comment down below saying you could use it for your project, either S10, Blazer, Sonoma, GMC Jimmy, and I'll give it away to somebody. So feel free to leave your comments down below. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe for future videos and future maybe giveaways, now that I might make a habit of this. If I can't get it to work, I'll give it away to somebody else. So, thanks guys. Have a good one. I'll see you on the next one.